Get ready to transform a simple piece of cardboard into a functional and stylish PS5 controller stand that not only keeps your gaming area tidy, but also adds a unique touch to your setup. So I've been sketching out some designs and I came up with this one particular piece, as you can see right here, and I'm gonna put the planner in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Essentially, this is a curvy design that will catch the controller's base when it sits on top. I'm gonna trace that particular design on a corrugated piece of cardboard. You can choose thinner cardboard if you want, if you don't have it. Once I have two identical pieces cut out, I'm ready to work on the base. So it's a rectangular piece of cardboard which is gonna act as the base. Hot glue is the most ideal thing you can use to attach these pieces, but if you have any other glue, be sure to use that. Be comfortable with whatever you have. Now let's attach this small piece of cardboard into the back portion. Next, I take another square piece, and this is going to act as the V-shaped right here, and that's basically going to catch the controller. You can use a scrap piece of cardboard to scrape off any excess hot glue. Once that is done, we have to add a small roof. One little tip when you're using your hot glue is to avoid excess lumps, because when you have lumps in your project, it's going to create a very uneven surface. So when you're adding decorations, you're not going to have a smooth surface. Be sure to shave out any excess cardboard sticking out using a pair of scissors or your X-Acto knife. Now this is possibly the trickiest part of this project, where you have to establish a very nice curve, but essentially taking a long strip of cardboard and curving out one half of it is basically the way to go. And again, refer to my planner in the description box, and that's gonna surely help you out with the measurements in this project. The first step is I place the square edge first, by first hot gluing it and cutting out the remaining pieces or excess portions to ensure that I have a clean and smooth finishing. If you're finding value in this content so far, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more related content. You're actually done with this project, but we're not done yet. We're gonna add a little glossy touch to increase the aesthetics. And to do so, I have this glitter paper from a dollar store. Got it for about $1.25. You can choose anything. You can choose a poster board, you can paint it, you can spray paint it, whatever you want to do. But essentially, I'm using a thin bead of hot glue one at a time. I don't want to glue the entire surface together because one portion of the glue is gonna get dry and it's not gonna stick very well. Once that is done, I use my X-Acto knife to clean out the cuts. Repeat that on the other side and you have two beautiful edges. Now in order to establish the curvature in the very front, I'm going to take a long strip of glitter paper and essentially ensure that the rear edge is nice and flush with the V basically. So I messed up in my first go and you might do the same, so don't feel intimidated. As you can see, a bit of that brown cardboard color is being exposed, so I'll have to take this piece out and redo it basically. And this time I'm ensuring that the rear edge is nice and flush with the base of that V, so it has a beautiful look. For this big square piece, I like to use the table as my friend. The strip was cut a little extra for this particular step where I can use my X-Acto knife to clean out the excess paper. Just continuing on with the roof, and you're gonna end up with something that looks like this. It looks very clean, glossy, beautiful, aesthetic, whatever you wanna call it, and this not only works with your PS5, but if you own a PS4 or an Xbox, this literally applies to whatever gamepad that you own. I hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more related content.